class from grade 6 Bonifacio. For today's video, we'll learn about mixture by making calamansi juice. For the ingredients we need, 1 glass of water, 3 pieces of calamansi, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. But before we start, what is mixture? Mixture is combination of 2 or more substances. First, cut the calamansi. And then squeeze it into the glass of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix it well until the sugar was dissolved. And this is our calamansi juice. Let's drink it. It's so delicious.